You have already seen how easy it is to set up conversion of drawings to PDF, so I'll just run through this really fast. As we do not have any drawings yet for this assembly, I'll quickly get that automated. Common for all the browse buttons are, we will open the location defined in your SOLIDWORKS options, so make sure that these are correctly defined. There is really not a lot to explain here, but I do want to highlight this new option we have. Insert BOM table. Now you can insert desired BOM in the created drawings, and you can use a predefined template for it as well. And obviously define the anchor point to use. The rest we don't need to cover in greater detail. I'll make one more for parts this time. The first one was for assemblies. This time I'll use a different drawing template and sheet format, and also a different anchor point for the BOM. I'll also include dimensions for the part drawings, and here we actually also have a new option available, whole callouts. With all that done, I'll select the drawing creation for assemblies. Then I will apply a filter to only select assemblies. Easy, right? I can do the same for parts and then select only parts. But I'll also exclude toolbox and design library files. Again, these are referenced in your SOLIDWORKS options, so make sure that you have everything defined correctly there. For the PDF rule, I'll also add filter to only process new drawings. This makes the validation of the result much more easy, as I will show at the end. Finally, let's save all of this as a template and call it Create Drawings. Then make sure it's added to the Quick Launch. I can then close this window and run the entire process with just a few clicks from now on. All the drawings are created and PDF file is made as well. In this case, we produce 21 new drawings to our PDM vault. And then we create a merged PDF file, so a lot is getting done automatically now. The final step is to open the PDF and see the result, and then decide how to make the final adjustment to the actual drawings. But we got a lot done with minimal invested time. Thank you for watching.
We are in the life-saving business. We kill your routines before they kill you.